Have you ever noticed how a messy workspace makes you feel? The piles of paper, the scattered pens, the lingering coffee mug. It can all be overwhelming. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind, making it difficult to focus and be productive. But what if I told you that a clean and organized workspace could be the key to unlocking your full potential? Imagine a workspace where everything is in its place, where surfaces are clear, and where you can easily find what you need. This isn't just a dream, it's an achievable reality that can transform your work life. Decluttering your workspace can reduce stress, improve focus, and boost productivity. In the following sections, we'll explore the benefits of a clean workspace and provide practical tips to help you achieve a clutter-free work environment. Get ready to say goodbye to chaos and hello to a more productive and peaceful you. Our brains thrive on order and predictability. When we're surrounded by clutter, our brains have to work harder to process all the visual stimuli. This can lead to mental fatigue, stress, and difficulty concentrating. A clean and organized workspace, on the other hand, promotes feelings of calm and control. With fewer distractions, our brains can focus on the task at hand, leading to improved concentration, creativity, and productivity. Studies have shown that even small acts of organization, like clearing your desk or filing away papers, can reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed by clutter, take a few minutes to tidy up. Your brain will thank you. Paper clutter can be a major source of stress. To tame the paper tiger, start by gathering all your loose papers. Sort through them and discard anything you don't need. Invest in a good filing system and label folders clearly. Consider going digital by scanning important documents and storing them electronically. This can free up valuable desk space and make it easier to find what you need. Remember, the key to staying organized is to have a designated place for everything and to make it a habit to put things away immediately. Storage solutions are your best friend when it comes to maintaining a clutter-free workspace. Invest in drawers, shelves, and organizers to keep your belongings in order. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves or using a tiered desk organizer. Use clear containers to store small items so you can easily see what's inside. Label everything. This will help you quickly locate items and maintain order. Remember, a well-organized workspace is an investment in your productivity and peace of mind. Digital declutter, clearing your virtual workspace. In today's digital age, it's not just our physical workspace that can become cluttered. Our computers and smartphones can also become overwhelmed with files, emails, and apps, leading to digital stress and decreased productivity. Start by organizing your computer desktop. Create folders for different projects and file away documents accordingly. Delete any unnecessary files and shortcuts. Unsubscribe from email newsletters you no longer read and set up filters to manage incoming mail. Delete unused apps from your phone and organize the remaining ones into folders. A clean and organized digital workspace can improve your focus, reduce distractions, and make you feel more in control of your work. The 1-minute rule: maintaining your clutter-free zone. Once you've decluttered your workspace, it's important to maintain it. This is where the 1-minute rule comes in. If a task takes less than a minute to complete, do it immediately. For example, file away papers as soon as you're done with them. Put your coffee mug in the dishwasher after you've finished your drink, and clear your desk at the end of each day. These small actions may seem insignificant, but they can make a big difference in preventing clutter from accumulating. A story of transformation, from chaos to calm. Sarah, a freelance writer, used to dread sitting down at her desk. Piles of papers, books, and half-finished projects covered every surface. She felt overwhelmed and struggled to focus. One day, she decided to declutter her workspace. She got rid of anything she didn't need, organized her papers, and invested in some storage solutions. The transformation was remarkable. Sarah found that she was able to concentrate better, felt less stressed, and was more productive. She realized that a clean and organized workspace wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about creating a more positive and productive work environment. Your journey to a clutter-free workspace starts today. Decluttering your workspace doesn't have to be an overwhelming task. Start small by tackling one area at a time. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes each day to declutter and organize. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but progress. Even small changes can make a big difference in your productivity and well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to a clutter-free workspace today and experience the transformative power of organization. Beyond the desk, applying decluttering principles to your life. The principles of decluttering and organization can be applied to all areas of your life, from your home to your relationships. By letting go of what no longer serves you, you create space for new opportunities and experiences. Practice mindful consumption by being intentional about what you bring into your life. Embrace minimalism by focusing on quality over quantity. Remember, decluttering is not just about getting rid of things. It's about creating a more intentional and fulfilling life.